I just got the Ego Power Plus 21-inch 56-volt lithium-ion cordless push lawnmower. Comes with a 5-amp battery and charger. You can find it at Amazon and Lowe's for $399. It's supposed to have a runtime of up to 45 minutes. It has 6 mowing positions between 1.5 inches and 4 inches. And it's also a mulching, bagging, and side discharge mower. Here's the right side of the box, has a handle to help you carry it. Here's the left side of the box, has the other handle. Shows you it has a 5-year warranty. And also shows you that there's an Ego app you can download on your iPhone or Android device. On the back of the box here, we can see that the battery has a 3-year warranty. You can see the different features on the lawnmower. It has the LED lights, so you can mow in the dark. It is weather resistant. It has 3 handle heights. Push button start. Has 1-hand height adjustment. Has cutting torque of 2,500 RPMs. Let's open it up and check it out. Take the X-Acto knife and open up the box. Some cardboard there. Got our 5-amp battery over here. We got the bag frame here. Here we got the battery charger. There's the side of the battery charger. The other side of the battery charger. And the back of the battery charger's got 2 spots to hang it on. Bottom of the battery charger and the cord that's attached to it. All right, take that cardboard out of there. Here's the bag for the mower. It's got the Ego logo on one side. Looks like we have to put the metal frame in it. The Ego logo on the other side. Hard plastic bottom. There's the back with a handle. There's the inside look of it. Got another piece here. Looks like a side blowout piece. Put that to the side. Got our instruction booklet over here. Just gonna pull the lawnmower out of there. Nothing else in the box there. Now we got the mower out of the box. Let's take the plastic off of it. Okay, the first thing we're going to want to do is to charge the battery. The instructions say the battery should be charged in a location where the temperature is greater than 41 degrees Fahrenheit or 5 degrees Celsius and less than 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius. Basically saying keep the battery inside the house, get around room temperature. On the previous page here it says do not get the battery past 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius or it may explode. Alright, let's charge the battery. The manual also says to store the lithium-ion battery pack in 30 to 50% charged condition. Let's take the battery out of the box. Now let's put it on the charger. Now we got our charger. I'll line up these fins right here with the slots on the back. There we go. Slides right in there. Just plug it in. You can see the lights cycling between red, orange, and green. You can see we're at 25%. Flashing green here. The fan's going. Fan's blowing on the side to keep everything cool. And we'll check back on that in a little while. As you can see, all 4 LED indicators are now solid green, so our battery is charged, and we can take it off the charger. Also, you'll notice that the fans turn off once the battery is fully charged. One more thing to note, the fan is a bit loud and annoying, so it's a good idea to plug it in a place where you won't hear it. Let's take the battery out of there. The battery took a little under an hour to fully charge, so it was pretty quick. I'm going to hit the quick adjust lever to unlock the handlebars here. Lift those up. The proper way to actually pick it up out of the box is to grab the rear handle here and the front handle here. And then lift that way. I'm going to take this Ego tag off. So Ego, power beyond belief, most powerful push mower. Runs up to 45 minutes and has 5.3 foot-pounds of torque. Says to start, fully extend side rails, then lock the clamps. Unlock both of those. Alright, so that's fully extended there. Lock that. Lock that. First up, let's get the grass bag frame into the grass bag. Okay, I have my grass bag here, my grass bag frame. It says to slide the frame onto the grass bag. Just going to slide that in there. I'm going to clamp the top on there. Clamp the top on there. Clamp the side on there. Clamp the other top side on there. Clamp this right side on here. Okay, the right side's clamped on. Clamp the left side here. Clamp that left side on there. The back, top right side back on. And then clamp the bottom on. Hook that right on there. And then, alright, we have our frame on our grass bag. And our 2 hooks to hook onto our lawnmower. It says to move the handles to position 1, which looks straight up in the manual but is a little forward. To attach the grass bag to the back. So I'll just lift that up right there. And there's the hooks. Hook the bag on the mower. Drop that back down and we're good to go. Throw the handlebar back. Locks in at the upper position. And it says it won't start until this is fully extended and both of these are locked. To take the bag out, I'm just going to lift the rear discharge drawer and lift the bag up out of there. It actually comes with a mulching insert already fully inserted. Just pull that out of there. And then you can attach your bag properly. Unless you want to use mulching, just grab it by the handle there. Slide it right into the machine. Now let's try putting in the side discharge. Lift up the discharge door. Take out that mulching insert. Then the side discharge just slides down from the top. Guess it just kind of holds it in place like so. We got the height adjustment lever on the side here. Now I'm going to set the height adjustable lever. As you can see, the mower deck's going up as I pull back. I'm going to put it at 5 because that's 3.5 inches there. Next up, I'm going to open up the battery cover. Line up the battery with the fins there. Slide it on in. Close the lid. Battery's in there. Of course, if you need to take it out, just push the button. Take it right out. Alright, here's the battery indicator here. Turn on the lights here. When you turn on the lights or turn on the motor, the battery indicator turns on. You can see the battery's glowing as well. And of course, you can see the lights on in front of the lawnmower. Alright, let's turn that off. To start the mower, and unlock these clips. Pull the arm out. Lock the clips. Hold the power button down here and pull back on the bail bar.
All around, it's a good lawnmower. Mows the grass without any issue. However, for the price of $3.99, I was surprised that it was not self-propelled, so I did return the lawnmower and get the self-propelled version. The LM2102 SP has the SP in the model number to tell you that it's self-propelled. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, including the LM2102 SP model of the mower, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.